Let's have a look at 10 stock analysis in under 10 minutes. Let's start with Amazon. We are touching demand zones, respecting them, and I'm aiming for this black level here. So every down move, you can see it as an opportunity to aim for that level. United Health in the weekly chart, we are in a big demand zone here, reacting from it. We took some liquidity here, but what I would like to see for a bit confirmation, I would like us to go above this high and then create a correction and then break again. That would increase the probabilities to aim for even higher levels. Let's check Nike. We took out some liquidity here. I would like us to see a break above this high here and then a correction and then a break again. That would also increase the probabilities to aim for these highs here to the left. Alibaba here, we have been creating higher lows and higher highs. I'm aiming for this black level, and also if we break this black level, that increases the probabilities to aim for even higher levels. But for now, as long as we don't go below this green zone or start breaking below lows like this, I mean, it's higher lows. That itself tells us that we should aim for higher levels and not aiming for liquidity down here. Then you can, of course, look for entries in lower time frames, but let's keep those discussions inside the community. Bank of America in the weekly chart, we were in discount, reacting from demand zones. We went up a bit and then we got a deep correction, took out some liquidity here. And I'm aiming for this black level and this black level there. And you can see every down move as an opportunity to aim for those levels. And you can also see that we are respecting these demand zones here. So it's really important to see that we keep this bullish order flow like this. General Motors in the weekly chart, we took some liquidity down below these lows. We reacted from this demand zone. And we can see that we broke highs and we have been creating a beautiful uptrend here. So I'm aiming for this high in General Motors. And you can see every down move as an opportunity to aim for that level. And if we check McDonald's here in the weekly chart, a really beautiful uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. We are respecting demand zones. We have a beautiful bullish order flow. And that itself tells us that it is higher probability that we should aim for higher levels than aiming for lower levels. As long as we are respecting those demand zones here in the lower time frame, I'm aiming for these two black levels. Meta here in the weekly chart, we are in a beautiful uptrend and we have been taking out all-time highs after all-time highs. And we have a demand zone here, which is really important. As long as we don't go below this demand zone, I'm bullish to Meta, and you can see every down move here as an opportunity to aim for this black level on 860. Let's check TSM here in the weekly chart, and we have been correcting a bit here, but overall, we have a really nice uptrend. Okay, let's just check the daily chart. For now, I'm seeing lower lows and lower highs, which is not a good sign to be bullish. So in my opinion, to become bullish here in the short run, overall I'm bullish. I'm aiming for 300, but I would like us to see a break above this high and then a correction and then a break again. That increases the probabilities that we can start aiming for higher levels in the short run. And let's check Spotify here in the weekly chart. We have been correcting like this, and we corrected similarly earlier, and we went up to even higher levels. You see here, where does the correction end? In a previous demand zone. The previous demand zone right now is this one. So we have been touching it. So the correction could be ended here. Every down move here is, in my opinion, just an opportunity to aim for these two black levels. But to confirm this in the daily chart, let's say we get a closure above this high here. If we do that in the daily chart, then that increases the probabilities that we can aim for this black level in the short run and also this black level here. That was basically it. 10 charts under 10 minutes. If you like this concept, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.